In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an audio spectrum in CapCut PC. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so even if you're new to CapCut or video editing, you'll be able to follow along and create a clean, professional-looking spectrum that reacts perfectly to your music. First, open CapCut on your computer and create a new project. Import the audio file you want to use, whether that's a song, a podcast snippet, or a voiceover. Drag your audio down onto the timeline and make sure it starts at the very beginning, or wherever you want the spectrum to appear. Play a few seconds to confirm the audio is working properly, and that the volume levels are where you want them, because the spectrum will react based on this audio. Next, you'll want a background for your spectrum. This can be a solid color, a gradient, an image, or even a video. Import your background media and place it on a track below or above the audio, depending on how you like your timeline organized. Make sure the background duration matches the length of the audio or the section you're using, so you don't end up with black gaps at the end. Now, it's time to add the actual audio spectrum effect. Go to the Effects or Elements section in CapCut PC and look for Spectrum or Audio Visualizer options. The exact name might vary, but you're looking for an effect that shows bars or waves moving with the sound. Once you find it, drag and drop the effect onto your video track above the background. With the spectrum added, adjust its duration so it matches your audio clip. Then select the spectrum layer and open the Settings or Properties panel. Here, you can usually change the position, size, and style of the spectrum. Move it to where you want it on the screen, such as centered at the bottom or across the middle, and resize it so it's visible but not overwhelming your background. You can also customize colors and thickness of the bars or lines. Choose colors that fit your branding or the mood of the audio. If your background is bright, consider using darker spectrum colors. And if the background is dark, go for lighter tones so the effect stands out clearly. Finally, preview everything from the start. Watch how the spectrum reacts to the beat and make small tweaks to timing, colors, and size until you're happy. Once it looks good, export your video and you're done.